Good morning, everybody. Lots of love from Ireland, from Bears Angels in Ireland to our friends, our family, and to all our customers worldwide. We have challenging times ahead of us, and it will not be easy, but we have to try and do the best we can do ourselves, which is at the moment to just stay in and stay home and stay safe. To do this, we thought we let you know that we have made up a special Easter kit for you where you can make your own Easter bunny at home with your children. Our Easter workshop, which had to be cancelled, of course, is always our most fun-loving workshop we do together with children and adults alike, and we usually go for an Easter egg hunt afterwards. So that's not going to happen this year. So we thought we'd do up a bunny bear kit for you, which you can order online, and we will send everything out to you. Also, a few things you can customize your bunnies with, and you can make them at home, make some memory at home with your family. That's the most important thing in these challenging times at the moment, to make some good memories at home. We will send some little belts, little bandanas so you can customize your bunny at home as well. And we also will send a needle if you let us know that you really do need one. Usually kids don't include needles here because for safety reasons, but if you have no needle at home, we will send you one as well. We also offer you a WhatsApp video call. If you're at home and you're all doing the bunny, it's very easy to do. They just need to be stuffed and sewn up and can be customized then whatever way you want it to. You get a little birth certificate with this as well. But if you feel you need some help, we are here for you, and you can let us know when you do the workshop and we can do a WhatsApp video call. So if you need any advice, I will be here. We also like to say that in these challenging times, it's very, very important that we support local businesses. In our area, we still have people baking cakes, making cheese, making baskets, making patchworks, jewelers, people who sell natural skin care. There is so many things you still can buy locally, and you will support your local community and your local businesses who don't really have any business at the moment. So I hope you're well, and I hope you stay well. And when all of this is over, you can come again and visit us. But for the moment, we are just keeping the online shop open. Parcels are going out every day still. We will let you know if that's going to be stopped. And yeah, we hope you well and stay well. Look after yourself and your family. And we just like to give you a big, big virtual bear hug from this lovely fella here. Stay safe, stay in, stay home. All the best.